Hello, we are going to start the maze project, and this is how you are going to create that maze. So you're going to log into your Scratch account and you're going to click Create. The first thing you're going to do is change the title. You can call it whatever you want. You should indicate somewhere in the title that it's a maze. Just a little bit. Okay. All right. Obviously, there is no maze here, and there's this cat. We do not want this cat. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is create the maze backdrop by clicking on the stage and clicking on the backdrop tool. And in the backdrop tool, you're going to click on the outline. We do not want an outline. And we're going to choose a fill color. The fill color defaults to purple. I am going to make it pink. Okay, and then I'm going to use the rectangle tool. I'm just going to draw all sorts of rectangles. So you can see the maze start to appear. Here's my palette where I am, and here's the workspace. Let's just start drawing a maze here. The maze can be whatever you want. Keep it pretty simple. This is your first level. You might not do any other levels if you're new to Scratch, but your first level shouldn't be too hard for anybody to do. Remember, in general, the first level for any video game, it should be fairly easy. Okay, you're going to keep all of these the same solid color. Remember, you don't want any outline here, so you just X out of the outline. And then we're going to make this last part like a green color, and this is going to be your goal area. That's going to be the area that we're going to try to get to. Okay, so that's your backdrop. And then we're going to create a player. So we're going to click on, hover over the sprite tool. This is the sprite area. And we're going to paint a sprite. And we're actually going to call this Player1. It indicates that you can have more than one player if you wanted to. And then in the costume palette, we're going to draw the costume. We're going to draw the actual sprite. And I'm going to choose a color. I'm not going to have any outline on it, and I'm going to make it a round shape. Okay, so you can see my player is right there. You should draw it right in the center of the palette. Okay, if you look here, there's a little cross mark. You should put it right over that. That's the exact center of the sprite. And I'm going to click Save Now and drag this over. Okay, so you've got the basic pieces for your maze. You've got the backdrop, the maze itself, and the goal area. You've got Player1. So that's it for part 1.